all, welcome to my channel Ananya, and in today's video I'm going to show you all how to make this very pretty spring greeting card. So let's now see the tutorial.
So let's start. So guys, for the first step I'll be taking this A4 size white sheet and I will be folding it into half like this. Once you have folded it into half, keep it like this, and now I'm going to take quilling strips of yellow color, and now you have to take Fevicol and stick it. So guys, like this, I have sticked it on all four sides quilling sheet of yellow color. So we are making a spring card so yellow will look cool. And now I'm taking this neon sheet of 18 into 12 centimeter, and now what you have to do is take a scale and a pencil, and now on the side which is of 12 centimeter, you have to mark on all the centimeters like this, to mark on 1.5 centimeters. So you have to mark on 1.5, 3 centimeter, then 4.5, 6 centimeter, 7.5, then 9 centimeter, and now sketch lines like this on the 1.5 centimeter gap. You have to sketch lines like this. So once you have sketched lines like this, now with this scissor, cut them out. There will be total 8 strips. Cut out all 8 of them. So guys, this way I have cut 8 strips. Now what you have to do is just take one strip, fold it into half, don't press it, just do it like this here. Apply some Fevicol here, just paste it, and don't press it, let this curve remain. Do this with all 8 of them. So guys, this way I have sticked all of them, and now what we have to do is you just have to stick them like this, one by one. We will be sticking them in the center. I think now you can press them. Now it's okay if you press it. Press all of them. So I'll be pressing all of them. And now what you have to do is start sticking them. Spread the glue. Start sticking them like this. Here also, like this. Tilt their positions. And just take them a little up. And then the last one also, like this. So like this I have done, and now what you have to do is, and now you have to curve them like this again. If you do like this, they will automatically curve. Curve all of them like this, and now I will be taking a green sheet, and with the help of a scale we will be measuring. I will be measuring the length. So it's 10.5 centimeters. So you have to cut a strip of 10.5. After cutting the strip, this is 10.5 into 1. I will stick it here in the center. Now what you have to do is take this sheet again, and with a pencil draw 2 leaves and cut them out. Now with Fevicol you have to stick the 2 leaves. Stick one up and one down like this. And now what I will do is, we will measure this. It's a 14 centimeters. And 2.5. So we will cut a strip of 14 centimeter by 2.5 centimeter. And then just cut it out. So once you have cut it out, what you have to do is, cut small part out of it, randomly, short, long. Without any measurements, just cut long strips for grass. Like this I have cut, and in the center I will fold all of them like this. And in the center you have to stick it. Like this. I've cut some part from sides. And now just give it this random effect. Press it down. Now what you have to do is, we will create a long circle on an orange sheet of paper. So here I have cut a small circle, and now in the center, stick. So this way a very pretty and beautiful spring greeting card is ready, and it's basically for kids. So do like, subscribe and share, and comment down below how was the card. I'll meet you in my next video. Bye guys.